Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, swipe down notification bar, enter settings and go to security. Tap on screen lock, confirm with your current screen lock, and here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's select none. Swipe, password, PIN, and pattern. Now let's set up Fingerprint. Our fingerprint sensor is on the side of the phone, right here. So let me scan my fingerprint. And it's done. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.